We're here at the garden site. As you can see, these people do a lot of gardening here. Yes, it's a garden. Hey guys, thank you for tuning into this YouTube channel. Welcome to my channel, and guys, please leave a like, share and comment. So thank you for your continuous support. Today is very hot day. The sky was clear and sun is very hot, so I'm sweating while walking. So guys, thank you for your support. As you can see, from here I'm going up to Bumayong and help my family members there to do the gardening there. So guys, thank you for your support, and make sure to share this video or tell your friends to tune into this YouTube channel. Guys, thank you for your company to grow this YouTube channel. So you guys are making a big difference in this YouTube channel. So guys, may God bless you. Hey guys, good morning. Today is a sunny day and it's very hot here in Leh, and I'm sweating. So from here I'll be traveling up to Bumayong, where some of our family members who are doing gardening there. So I'll join up with them there and do a bit of gardening. Hey. This one. Hey guys, I'm here at Ten City, walking towards Levin's residence. From there, I will be walking down to the garden with Dory here. So guys, thank you for your support to tune into this channel. Libre ni matingin pa tayo yan, kaya? Okay. Yeah. Sahur hindi Yeah. Hey guys, I'm here and my in-law. We are walking towards Levin's area. From there we'll be going down to the garden. So thank you for your continuous support, guys. Daun tu pun dia nyawa. Ikut ciliak ke? Okay guys, see there's the whole coconut plantation there. You can see on the other side. So guys, thank you for your support to tune into this channel. These are the gardens made by settlers here. They plant taro, sweet potatoes, cassava and banana. So you can see these are the gardens made by settlers here, as you can see. Guys, look at these papaya trees here, bearing fruits. Guys, we are walking down to the garden here, as usual. Botolin ang gerat narik. Huh? Yeah. We're here at the garden site. As you can see, these people do a lot of gardening here. Yes, it's a garden. Tok alo online by me posti.
Hello. Hello.
Rory. Mr. Rory. Rari.
Ay, sini aku boleh pergi buku sini kau, nanti cari bol finish sekali.
Guys, this is the garden site.
Junu, aja ni jangan bertanya Junu.
Ma, aja angkat.
Junu. Juni ya kan?
This is doing the gardening, so it's very hot.
Mat dah dia kan? Bila? Bilang kan nama dah.
Yeah.
Ara wannan yau da da kula para yuni ga tukar kana kana bon. Haru mana ko sai na kina tin ne morman sin boye.
Yeah, yo. Agmayar pasan dia raw na membramari on gawandre.
Apa aru kana ko bilang lo pula na kari. Ai bine ata ko yo kan gon.
Hey!
Ai me le plebe ko tandi ni wori.
You make me plan the control here.
Ini polwara. Aswara.
We here at the garden site. As you can see, these people do a lot of gardening here. Yes, it's a long garden. Talk alolo online by me posti.
Hello.
Halo.
Rari. Mr. Rari. Rari.
Ay, sini aku boleh pergi buku sini kau, nanti cari bol finish sekali.
Guys, this is the garden site. This site was cleared a few days ago and it's dried up. When it dried well, then we will bend this dry grass and better clearing it up. And here, one of my family members so using a spade and clearing up the new garden site. So as you can see, we do a lot of doing the work in clearing and like that. So this is Aki. He's bringing a water bottle to the gardener, but he's returning back. So guys, this is where we used to make gardens, as you can see. So thank you for your support to tune into this YouTube channel.